Hi, I'm Pasu. If you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start by tracing the eye shape. So I'm going to be using only one palette and I'm going to use this one for Colourpop. The name is whatever. And I really like this one because I think the colors really match the Ciel personality. I'm going to grab the color in bold. It's a really dark brown, like it's a grayish brown, and I'm going to trace my eye shape is here, so I'm going to make it even bigger because Ciel has really big eyes. I'm going to put it here, and then you can see that the eye kind of looks bigger. And you want to take this part and take it really low because Ciel has like droopy eyes. So you want to make this part really low. Now I'm going to grab a shiny white. Not really like glittery, but shiny like metallic. And I'm going to put it here and here. You will see now. We are going to grab some color that you think it represents Ciel. For me, I think purples, reds or browns are something that really fits for him. And I'm going to grab a pinkish, a dark pink. This one. And I'm going to put it only on the outer part of the eye. And now I'm going to grab another color that is not that dark to blend the eyeshadow upwards. Also you want to blend it a little bit here to make it seem more natural, but we're not doing anything natural today. Now we're going to do the shape down here. So we are going to grab the other dark brown and make the eye shape, which is very droopy. And also we can grab another brown that isn't too dark, like a light brown, and we can do this part here. And I like to make a little line here so it looks like it's more natural. I don't know, it's like contouring your eye, making it a new shape. And now I'm going to grab the white that I used to make the white part, to make the eye even bigger. First I use a pencil. I use this one from NYX. And now for the outer part, for what I think it works the best for me is to use a face cream with a tiny pencil and paint here. For me, I like this better because I think it's like more white than the pencils, and it also is more durable. You can also do a little bit of highlight here if you want, just a tiny bit downwards. Now I'm going to do the black eyeliner, and I normally use the eyeliner gel with a tiny pencil with this. This one is very old because I can't find anything like this, but I have to buy a new one. You can do this with any pencil or any type of eyeliner that you like, so you can try what I use if it's better for you, but I would recommend that you try for yourself a lot of type of eyeliner. We're going to grab a tiny bit and do the eyeliner from here. If you want, you can do a little eyelash. Now you can grab a red or a pinkish color. Okay, now we are going to do the eyebrows, if you want. And I chose this color because it's, well, my wig is back there.
Good
and
evening.
You can see that the wig is like a dark, but not so dark blue. And I grabbed this kind of color. But before doing the eyebrow, we have to take up an eyebrow pencil, an angled pencil, and we want to make the first shape. So his eyebrows are very low and arched, so we're going to draw them like so. You want to draw the beginning of the eyebrow. Okay. And now we're going to do it with the pencil. Try not to put a lot of pressure, because if your eyebrows are concealed as mine, you have a lot of product, so you can make like a crease inside of the eyebrow and it will look horrible. Okay, and now we are going to fix the contour here. And now I'm going to do the eyelashes. You can use an eyelash curler or fake eyelashes, but I don't know how to put fake eyelashes on.
So I'm going to do this.
And I'm not going to put the rímel, the mascara down here because it will ruin the effect of the eye being here instead of here. So I'm going to put only in these eyelashes. If you want, you can draw tiny eyelashes here, but today I'm not feeling like it. What is next? Okay, I haven't put a highlighter on yet, so I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to put a tiny bit here. And here, but I think it won't see it here. Okay. Put here, and also in the nose, like in the highest point of the nose, and a tiny bit here in the bridge. And now I'm going to put it here because it's going to make the eyebrow seem more real, if you catch. And now we're going to do the lips, which is one of my favorite parts. I'm going to use this color as a base because it reminds me of a certain Jana Toboso fan art, artwork, and I'm going to put it in the screen for you to appreciate. And I'm going to put it in the lips. Now I'm going to grab a tiny pencil. I'm going to do this thing. And to finish, I'm going to use this brown. And I also like to do this. You see this little crease here, I like it a lot, so I'm going to put a little bit of brown here to accentuate on here. And a tiny bit here. These lips remind me of Sebastian. When I do my Sebastian makeup, I always make the lips like really dark. So I don't know, today I was going for a dark look. And now I'm going to pop my wig on and my patch if I can. And if I find it. I'll see you now. So here's the finished look with the wig and the patch. I didn't style the wig very well, but you can see that it looks like Ciel. So if you want, you can subscribe and you can comment if you have any doubts. I always respond to comments. You can also follow me on my Instagram for more content. I like to edit my pictures, so you will find pretty pictures here. And also you can follow me on my TikTok. I will be doing TikToks after that, after this one, after this video. And also I'm kind of sorry if I was a little bit nervous because it's my first time talking in a video, so let me know if you like this better than only me typing what to do. I try to be as detailed as possible, so I would love to listen to your comments and anything that you would like to say to me. And let me know if you want to see more videos and practice a lot. Bye!